Hi, I'm Kate, one of the K's from JKK World Travels, and I haven't posted to YouTube in 13 years. It was completely different then, believe me. If you want to go back and have a look at a couple of them, they're just like 1-minute videos from a holiday in the Caribbean. They're rubbish quality, but there we are, they're there, and we're going to keep them there. So I'm going to kick off with a couple of days that I spent in Lancashire and Yorkshire a couple of weeks ago. My husband was on a business trip and I was lucky enough to go with him and explore the local area. If you like the video, consider liking and subscribing to the channel, and you'll be notified of everything that we've got coming up. I aim to post every week to 2 weeks. I'm going to dig out some archive stuff from places we've travelled over the years, and I hope you enjoy the journey with us. Hi, I'm Kate from JKK World Travels. Join me today in North Yorkshire. I'm just taking a little drive around. Husband's at work, and I just thought I'd explore. It is 21 degrees today, it's stunning up here, and it's just the perfect day. So we're based in Clitheroe for 2 days, and the intention was to go to Malham Cove because it's something I've followed on Instagram and have admired for a long time. So I drove towards it, couldn't park anywhere because it's such a beautiful day. Everybody obviously had the same idea, so I just drove through until I got to a spot where I could park safely and get out and admire the views. Not quite sure why I was whispering back there because there's nobody here. Anyway, I'm just about to follow the road down into Settle and see what we can find in the town. So I wedged my phone on the dashboard of the car to give you a view of the narrow lanes that are all around the county. Many are only for one car and you have to wait for a passing point. So if you come across another car, you have to, one of you has to reverse. I mean, it makes for exciting driving really, and just stunning views. Here's an example of a passing point here on the right hand side. So I parked up and I'm just taking a wander through the streets of Settle. These old mills have been converted into apartment blocks and I just thought they looked incredible. Wouldn't that be cool? On Rightmove, one bedroom apartments here, 180, 190,000 mark. I just thought they looked adorable. Can you imagine the views from the top floors? A little shady spot to have a snack. I parked in Booths, which is a small supermarket. It looks a bit like a Waitrose for anybody that knows those. I don't know if they're affiliated with each other, but anyway, I bought a meal deal in return for 2 hours free parking. They don't require you to make a purchase, but it's lunchtime, so you know. Help me out. Scaleber? Hello. Oh, you're adorable.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, Mia.
Thank you. So here we go, over a little stile, the cutest little gate. I had only got Birkenstocks on. I wasn't properly dressed for hiking, so I found this small waterfall very close to the road. Just have a little look. Then imagine my delight as I remembered to check my geocaching app and I found one. It was right there. I couldn't have been so lucky. Fortunately, the pen didn't work. I didn't have a pen with me, but still, it's such good fun. If you've not tried it, look it up. It's great. I'll leave a link below. So here we are at the end of our first day, staying in Lancashire but exploring Yorkshire. Join me next time when we visit a medieval abbey, have a lovely walk around its gardens, see a viaduct, go for a proper British pub lunch. Details of where we're staying I'll post in a shorts video. Please let me know if you think this quality is okay. It's my first time editing a video and shooting a video. Thank you.